The global metaverse market size is expected to reach $1,607.12 billion in 2030 and register a revenue CAGR of 43.3% over the forecast period, according to latest analysis by Emergen Research. Global metaverse market revenue growth is expected to be driven by key factors such as increasing demand for applications and products based on virtual and augmented and mixed reality and rising focus on converging digital, virtual, and physical worlds. Besides, with the rise of blockchain technology, Web 3.0, Web 3, low-code, and no-code application platforms, coupled with advancements in motion tracking systems and cybernetics, artists and developers are gaining control of their online content, which is expected to support revenue growth of the market in the near future. Metaverse will bring human beings closer to the future of Web 3, where artists and developers can reclaim control over their online content and people may retake control over their personal identities. Every new blockchain concept and solution is promptly evaluated as a possible module for incorporation into the Web 3.0 engine that will support traction of metaverse products and services. Mark Cuban, an American entrepreneur, recognized the significance of blockchain in the development of the metaverse world. He established his Non-fungible Tokens (NFTs) company, Lazy.com, which is a digital art gallery aimed to promote NFTs in the same way that typical art galleries do, with the help of Polygon Studios, which is a new NFT-centric gaming and metaverse center intended to enable Web 3.0 gaming. The latter is funded by a $100 million investment to boost mainstream adoption of metaverse projects. The advent of a new open, decentralized internet places increased focus on blockchain for the management of transparent data. Blockchains provide seamless data exchanges, historical records, and decentralized authorities. Most experts believe that the blockchain would play a significant role in the development of a secure metaverse.